Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back with me again, Faisal Nugroho. So in this video, I will teach you again about many things that you must have to build a website from zero. And this is the third part of the web tutorial. So without any further ado, let's go to the video. Okay guys, so I was in my website. So like this is my website before we change the themes. So first, like normal, you must log in to your web admin. Okay, in here I was logging to the web admin dashboard. And for now, we will search for the themes. Okay, first, for add new themes, you can click the add new button in here, and then it will take you to the theme page browser. Okay, but I have a themes. I will search it before I start the video. So if you want to add a new theme, you can for the example, I want to download this theme. So you can click the install button, and the themes will be installed, but that will take a time. So you must you must waiting the theme has done to install. So but in here I will download one theme. Wait, okay. Again, my theme was delayed, so I will search a new themes. So the new themes that is Colibri WP. Okay, waiting. So this is the themes. So we can click the install to install the themes, and this process will take a time. So I will skip the video until these themes was done to install. Okay guys, my theme was installed. So after you install your themes, you can go back to the subdomain of appearance, that is themes. Okay, so in here Colibri WP was downloaded, and this is our theme now. So to change the theme, you can click the activate to the themes. Like example, I want to my themes to it. I can click the activate button, but I want to change my theme to here. So I will click the activate button in here. Okay, so this is my theme now. And back to the C page. Okay, now reload the page and my theme was updated. And now after that, the first thing we must do is editing the front page of these themes. First, I will go to the page. Okay, back to the themes. So this is my home. This is the front page of this theme. But uh, for your information, the Colibri web cannot edit with another a web builder than Colibri. So if you want to edit this front page using Cubio, that's cannot. So back to the appearance. So we will customize the themes using Colibri web. Okay, back to the page, and in here we can choose what we will to edit. This is edit in Colibri, edit with Cubio, and this and edit normal edit, and this is the quick edit. So I will choose the edit in Colibri. So we will setting small things in here, like maybe the text or the button or the logo. We'll setting that. So first in here, I will I will change the text to the. So if you want to change the text in Colibri, you can click in here and you can click the pen, or you can click the text in here. So I will write about mm, oh, it's later, and I will read write in here. I will write black back 9 back 9 university, and then I will write the slogan with generation for the future. Okay, but I want to this text is not same, so I will block this. Maybe it can. No, it cannot. So maybe I will delete the slogan. So on the back 9 university, and then I will change the button, the learn more button, and I will delete it. So click the pen, this button, and delete. So this is only one button in here, and because I want to add my slogan, I want to add my slogan, so I will choose it plus button, and then I will drag it. Wait, mm, it cannot. Control Z for back to the previous verse, and this is the title strike, and I will add maybe an effect in here. So the typo in the style, okay, this is the content, and you can click the style and go to the typography, and you can choose the font family like this font is open sans. I will change it to bebas anyway. Ah, the font is not in here. mm, Maybe I will change to it. It's good. Okay, this is the way. The style is italic, not default. Maybe I will change the font again to the what nice font. Nice font. Wait. I will search for a nice poem. Oh, that is Poppins. I will choose Poppins, and I will just do the weight to 700. Okay, it's good now. After that, in here you can add a text shadow, but it will not show because the background is dark too. So the example of shadow like this these columns have a shadow in behind. So after that, this text was right, and I will change the button. So I will change the button text to uh, about about maybe about us. Okay, okay, like that. Okay, and then don't forget to publish that was you change. Publish. Okay, after we publish it, the setting was published. So in the C page, reload the page, and the text was changed. And back to the here, you can see the the uh, the section was not. You can see the menu is out of order. So to tidy up the menu, you must to close from this page. Okay, so we have back to the dashboard again. So in here, you go to the appearance, then you go to the menus. In menus, you can see in here that is an invalid page. So for delete it, you can click the arrow button and then remove. And this is the front page of our website. So first, you must to drag the front page to the top. Okay, and I want to registration in a right side, so I will drag it to the below and this drag. And don't forget to setting the menu to header primary menu and then save menu. Back to the C page and reload the page. So the menus was tidy up like that. You can see the menu was tidy up. Okay, next. This is many things we must to change, like this, and many more. But, but, I will change it when in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and for the next video, I will show you the web was I changed, and I will give you how to do that. And for the last, I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye. Don't forget to the next video of this part.